All right, so today we have what's called a Dnyna Bee or a gyro ball or various numerous names of a hand exercise deal, which can sometimes be considered a toy and sometimes can be very expensive, and they work. They can be difficult for people to figure out how they work. And so I have some I have family, extended family members and stuff like that, and grandkids, and then they have great grandchildren. And so for everyone that has difficulty running a DynaBee or an X gyro ball, and for Rowan and Cameron and Avery and Peyton, I got a deal, because this Christmas we got this unit for 4 very cool kids, and well, one's a teenager and the others are shortly going to become teenagers. Got them for Christmas, and I'm sure that they might maybe have figured this out, that I saw some things that were never going to work. And so I wanted to make sure that they and others know how to work this. Well, this is a real nice little deal. It was made, it has some advantages. But I want to show you something. Sweetie, you got my hand motion real good. Okay, this here is run, and this movement here does not cause this to work. That doesn't work. That doesn't work it. Neither does that. If you're doing this, you're not in control. If you're doing that, you're not in control. Now, this unit here has some arrows, and you can move this in the direction of the arrows, and it has a spring. And you wind up the spring that help you get it started. But you can, I don't know, the spring and stuff, it's eventually going to break. And then what happens when the spring breaks? And it's in there, and then it probably won't work. So you can go the opposite direction of those arrows and not wind it. And you use a very deliberate motion that is not this, but is with the thumb. A flick. Now notice how my hand is hardly moving. And the arm. You got these cool LEDs, which I really like, and in the house they really grow. You can go the other side. Now I'm not gonna do it because it might roll off the table, might roll off the table because it's at a slant. But boy, this thing becomes the fastest top you've ever seen, and it's not recommended if you put it sideways and let it go. It'll just, I might, here, just as a fun thing, but I'm gonna keep it from. Okay, that one didn't go. Maybe because of the rubber band. My thing, but I'm going to stop this and then I'm going to start it again for you one last time. It's going to be a short video. These are really cool. They weren't that much money. You can get them way more expensive. I think this is very nice. But remember, you did not see this or this. Here's the arrow. I can just go this way and get it to go real fast and then try to get in the movement. But you take this here, going the opposite end of the arrow because I don't want to wind the spring. Because I don't need that spring to break. Slight push, feeling, you gotta feel, and now it's getting going, my hand, less and less movement. So Rowan, Cameron, Peyton, and Avery, everyone, Cameron and Avery and Peyton and Rowan, everyone, and everyone else who watches this, you guys have a great day. This is how you make this thing work, and God bless. Bye.